The most common issue cyclists will have is a flat tire. Today, we'll show you how to fix that. The first step is to shift the bike into its lowest gear. The next step is to disengage the brake and then unclamp the wheel from the frame. Gently lower the tire so it does not hit the derailleur. Now that the wheel is removed, use the tire tool to dig into the bead, and once you get a grip on the bead, pull up to remove the bead from the wheel. Then slide the tire tool around the frame to remove one side of the tire. Pull on the other side of the tire and it will come off the rim. You can now remove the inner tube from the tire. Next, inspect the tire for what may have popped your inner tube. Now, when inserting a new inner tube, it's easier to slightly inflate it first to give it some rigidity. Now insert the new inner tube just like the old one was inside the tire. To reinstall the bead to the rim, first line up the inner tube valve with the hole in the rim, then pinch the bead along the rim, and as you go around, this will become harder to do, so using the tire tool again will make this part easier. Next, fill the tire up to the recommended pressure. Then check the alignment of your rim. Line the chain up with the tire's lowest gear and re-clamp the wheel to the bike frame. Then reattach your brake line. You have now completed a repair and are ready to ride again.